Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and we are going over some of the best mini refrigerators on all of Amazon. You guys, this is one of my favorites. It's the CROWNFUL mini fridge, and this is one of the smaller, more compact mini refrigerators out there. So if that's what you're looking for, then this is for you. You guys, this is going to fit 6 cans or 4 1-liter bottles. It's great for your smaller items, maybe to put in a nursery for breast milk, to put like right on your desk. If you don't have a ton of room to put a refrigerator under your desk and you just want something up top, this is a great option. This is also wonderful for skincare. Oh my goodness, just add this into your routine and you're gonna keep all of your products so fresh, so wonderful, and it's gonna fit easily into your bathroom. This is highly portable and easy to travel with. In case you're wondering, it's pretty light, so it's not a big deal to take this up and take it in the car with you. You can even, like, there's an adapter so you can plug it in to your car and have cold drinks with you while you're road tripping or camping or going on a boat, whatever it might be. It keeps drinks really cold. That's what I've heard over and over again. That it just works really well. And if you are looking for something to keep your drinks warm, this works as well. It also has a switch you can toggle back and forth. Give it 30 minutes in between, but you can easily switch it from your refrigerator mode to your heating mode and adjust the temperature to fit your exact preferences. Again, you guys, this is just a really versatile little thing where it's not just drinks. Skincare is amazing. If you have a particular medicine that you need to keep at a certain temperature, this is just a great thing to have. It's super energy efficient. It's super quiet. Again, it's lightweight, easy to travel with, and it's really cute, and it comes in several different colors. So I know you'll be able to find one that you love and looks great wherever you're using it. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.